Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Toto Washlet remote is not working or not responding, it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for daily comfort and convenience. You might press the buttons and nothing happens, or the response feels delayed or inconsistent. This issue is usually caused by simple things like low batteries, signal blockage, pairing issues, or power problems with the unit itself. Since the remote communicates wirelessly with the washlet, even small interruptions can stop it from working properly. The tricky part is that there's no clear error message, so it can feel like the remote suddenly stopped for no reason. The good thing is that most of these problems can be fixed quickly with a few easy checks. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. Step 2. Turn off the washlet unit. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the unit. Step 4. Check that you are within the proper operating range. Step 5. Repair or reset the remote if your model supports it. Step 6. Clean the remote sensor area and try again.